Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel and if you appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and QQQ gapping up. Going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. All three stocks are gapping up. They're trading well above yesterday's closing price. As of now, I'm bullish and probably I'll be looking to buy some calls. But at market open, the first thing I want to see is these stocks breaking the pre-market highs. That gives me the needed confirmation to go with buying calls. So I'll wait for market open to define my levels and to define my trades. We do have around 20 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Tesla closing the gap. Now it's a reversal. I wish Tesla closed the gap during market open. Nvidia breaking the pre-market high. I like Nvidia to stay above the 239.50 area. Not interested in it yet. QQQ failing. Six minutes into market open. No setups and hence no trades. Watching Amazon. Amazon broke the pre-market low. Getting it at 920. Amazon planning for one ad around 3045, selling 3 at 1055, now holding 940, just holding one contract, selling. Yep, I'm out. That was a great trade. On that trade, making $1,000, no reasons to complain. Was a bit aggressive. Amazon was not red on the day. I took that trade because I was watching QQQ and it was failing to break the resistance. So I added around 30.30, which was previous resistance for Amazon, and I'm glad it worked well for me. So after a couple of days, finally $1,000 day. I'll take it. Now I'll keep watching for a second trade. Watching Tesla and Amazon. I do have Amazon on my second screen. Yep. Failing big time. QQQ falling massively. Tesla continuing to drop. QQQ falling and looks like waiting for a rebound would leave me in the dust. But not FOMOing in. I'm seeing a couple of opportunities today. I want to make sure that I capitalize on those moves. So watching Amazon and Tesla, Nvidia in the back burner for now. Looks like Tesla doesn't want to bounce. And yep, it's into the $700 range. So Tesla not giving a pullback. Placing an order. I'm in at 12.50. I think I got in a bit early. Not a great entry. 40 and 40 I'm adding. Yep. Now my next ad would be around 808. My first ad was supposed to be around this area and I got in a bit early. That's the only mistake I've done. But I have pretty decent average. My next ad would be for 8 contracts. Yep, I think it's going to break down. Selling. I'm out. I got out at 12.75. That was a perfect trade. So finally, I'm seeing some great action back in the markets. And today I've stepped up, been aggressive, and the result speaks for itself. So far, $1,600. I think we may get some more opportunities. But that was a picture perfect trade. I mitigated the risk of getting at the first level of resistance by going with 2 contracts. Then I added 4 contracts around my first area of resistance. I took profits when I had it. So anytime Tesla breaks below the $800 price range, it immediately reclaims and goes back. So if the $795 level breaks down, then I think it will be a flush. But right now, the markets are trying to recover. Triple Q testing resistance. If it breaks, I think we can expect a bigger move to the upside. Things are slowing down. Maybe I'll watch for another 20 minutes and then call it today. Waiting patiently. So if you look at the chart, apart from this candle, we did not have any good bounces or rebound. That's what I'm afraid of. Anytime it can happen, and I don't want to be caught holding the bag. I'm getting drained out here. Choppy moves all over. Giving it another 6 more minutes and then I think I'll call it today. Amazon just making a move. I think this is the first 5 minute candle to make a new high. Adding 2010. Yep, I'm in. I may look to exit around this area, 2960. I'm out. One share. So maybe I'll get out at 2105. I'm out. That puts me around $1,900 on the day. That was a good trade. I could have waited a little more to get to that $2,000 area, but it is what it is. Watching Tesla. Place an order for 1510. I'm in. 5 contracts. Selling 3 at 1525. I'm just holding 2 1545. And now just holding 1 contract. Selling at 1565. Yep, I'm out. Today the markets are very predictable and I think that is really good. Almost 10:30 Central Time. I think I have overextended my trading session today. I'm really happy to see some price action back in the markets. Both Amazon and Tesla giving us some good opportunities today. This is the kind of price action I'm comfortable trading because you get in, you get out quickly, and you take the dollars with you. So overall, a great day of trading, making $2,000 in 2 hours. No reasons to complain. That being said, I'll wrap it up for today. And as I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.